Controlling turbidity and suspended solids levels in treated wastewater discharged to the environment is vital to ensuring the health of rivers and streams and preventing damage caused by depletion of dissolved oxygen levels. For this reason, turbidity and suspended solids concentrations of effluent discharges are tightly regulated and need to be carefully monitored to ensure limits are maintained. In municipal wastewater applications, excessive suspended solids levels can trigger a chain of events that can steadily deplete the level of oxygen in the water needed for a healthy aquatic ecosystem. As particles build up, they scatter the daylight passing through the water, reducing its strength. With less direct light for effective photosynthesis, aquatic plants struggle to produce the oxygen needed for the survival of other aquatic life, including fish, amphibians, and waterborne insects. Within the wastewater treatment plant itself, excess turbidity can be indicative of a poorly operating treatment process. It is important to address this issue as residual suspended solids breaking through from sewage digestion processes will continue to have a biological oxygen demand as they enter the receiving water. Controlling suspended solids is equally important in industrial wastewater applications, where there is the added risk of toxic or metallic compounds escaping into the environment. Expressed in nephelometric turbidity units, NTU, turbidity measurement enables the level of suspended solids present in water to be accurately assessed. ABB's ATS430 uses internationally approved nephelometric measurement technology to accurately measure turbidity concentrations up to 4,000 NTU. The sensor directs a beam of infrared light into the sample. The light beam is scattered by particles in the sample, and the scattered light intensity is measured by the sensor's photodetector positioned at 90 degrees to the light beam. The scattered light detected by the sensor is directly proportional to the turbidity of the sample. Analysis and signal conditioning is conducted within the robust sensor housing and transmitted digitally to the transmitter. The turbidity measurement can be used to determine the total suspended solids, or TSS, of the sample by comparison to laboratory data. The ATS430's adaptive TSS calibration feature enables the sensor to intelligently calculate the TSS conversion based on historical process data. This feature provides a smooth TSS conversion and avoids sudden changes in TSS calibration coefficients, often caused by non-representative sampling or erroneous lab results. Setting up the transmitter and sensor is easy. Each sensor is precisely calibrated at the factory, so it is ready to use straight out of the box. Simply connect the sensor using ABB's EZLink connection, and the transmitter will automatically configure the sensor setup. The Aztec AWT440 universal transmitter can be connected to up to 4 Aztec 400 digital sensors, enabling monitoring at multiple points without purchasing and installing separate transmitters. The ATS430 sensor incorporates a range of features aimed at minimizing maintenance throughout its operational life. The robust sensor probe is available in polished stainless steel or titanium and features scratch-resistant sapphire optical windows to withstand the harshest environments and pressures. The sensor requires no servicing throughout its life, thanks to its fully encapsulated and hermetically sealed design. When cleaning is necessary, it can be cleaned and redeployed without calibration. For high fouling applications, the sensor can be automatically cleaned using an integral wiper, allowing deployment for extended periods of time without the need for manual intervention. The predictive diagnostics within the sensor tracks wiper usage and alerts users when replacement is due. Replacement of the wiper is easy and takes just seconds. The ATS430's performance can be easily verified with ABB's Sensor Verification and Calibration Kit. Simple, safe, and cost-effective, the Sensor Verification and Calibration Kit provides the accuracy of a formazine calibration without the need for using chemical standards that can be costly, dangerous, and difficult to prepare. Each kit is provided with a range of different calibration discs that have been factory calibrated against primary turbidity standards. Simply place the appropriate calibration disc into the holder, add a small droplet of the optical coupling agent, and insert into the holder. The ATS430 Turbidity and Suspended Solids Probe is available with a range of installation options. These include dip mount systems and chain mount immersion systems for open tank and channel installations, a flow-through system for panel mount systems, plus a hot tap mounting system for direct insertion into a pressurized pipe. This same flexibility applies to the ATS430 universal transmitter. Featuring a robust IP66 corrosion-resistant enclosure, it is suitable for either wall or pipe mounting within a range of non-hazardous areas. In addition to monitoring municipal and industrial wastewater effluent, the ATS430 Turbidity and Suspended Solids System can be used in process control applications, including potable water treatment, municipal and industrial wastewater treatment, produced and flowback water treatment for fracking, pulp and paper process control, mining and refining operations, and in marine applications. Enjoy the benefits of accurate, reliable turbidity monitoring today. To find out more about the ATS430 range, contact your local ABB sales representative.